Hi, my name is Paul Lewis. I am a technical project manager. I have had 20 years of experience doing this. I got started right out of college fixing computers and sharpening my technical abilities to keep on moving forward in my career. I continually keep my skills up to date by doing a lot of outside project work, usually in a technical capacity. Try to fix computers, make sure I stay up to date on all the latest operating system technologies, cloud computing, and that sort of thing. I'm a Six Sigma Green Belt, and I have been a Scrum Master. I was previously a Scrum Master, and now currently I am a delivery manager within an Agile program, which is part of the leadership of the actual program of the Scrum teams are built out of. So what is the difference between an IT technical infrastructure PM and a traditional project manager is really what you're working on. You're expected to have a working knowledge of the subject matter that you're working on, whether it be server technology, virtualized technology, Kafka, all the different types of deployment software that's coming out now, cloud computing. You're supposed to at least have some technical knowledge of the project you're delivering. You're also expected to be able to fill in for some of the engineers when they're not present. Sometimes they get called enough on other different projects. You need to be able to fill in to be able to do some of the work that they would do, not necessarily down to the nitty gritty, like building firewalls and stuff like that, but at least be able to have a working knowledge of how to do their job. So a meeting has to happen. A customer needs some technical input. You should be able to provide some of that. Now, granted, you're not expected to be the expert because that's what the engineers are for, and not necessarily have to do the work. It's helpful if you can do the work. That's really ideal for what they're looking for in this capacity. But if it's not, then you just do what you can. You need to be able to create high-level designs in Visio, be able to create the different design documentation at least the high level, not down to the nitty-gritty. As discussions, especially initial discussions, you don't necessarily have to have an engineer there. Usually their time is pretty precious. So what you would want to do is make sure that you have a working knowledge to be able to do the high-level design. And as the discussions go deeper, you need to be able to facilitate that discussion to be able to quote the time and materials that it would take to complete the job.